So to sew this, we just join the front pattern together like this. You can go watch how I achieved this in my other video of how to attach a wording to a bustier. So this is the back pattern. So let me notch the zipper line. So I'll pick one of these and one of this. And sew with 1/2 inch seam allowance. So same with this. Sew with 1/2 inch seam allowance. Then after that, I'll just join the side. This dress does not have a lining. They are not line. I'm not lining it. So after that, I'll just attach put the front pattern on it, and then join the side. I'll come back to show you how to attach the cape. And then, so this is what we have after joining the front pattern and the back pattern together. I'm not using lining. So to make it easy to add the cape, I'm going to be adding a strap to complete the off shoulder, the sleeve. So I just folded a piece. I'm 4 inches off, so I have 4 inches here, 4.5, so 1/2 inches for seam, and then I make the down to be longer by 1 inch. So here I have 4.5, while here I have 5.5, and then I just shape it like the armhole. So this part, this rough part will be up. That is where we are going to use the cape to complete it. So this is how I'm going to just place it like this. You see, I cut it to follow the shape of the armhole. So I'll join this here like this. Then I'll complete the back. The armhole of the back. Like this. So I'll try it on, okay, and make the necessary adjustments. So I should have my round body. Okay, we'll try it first. If not, we'll make some adjustments on the zipper line. So let's leave this like this first. So the cape is going to be on this upper part. So that is why I had to use the sleeve to complete it, so that we can have a neat finish. Let me measure the complete like this and see. My round body is 46. So I have about 44.5. So let's see. Maybe once we finish, once I try it on, then if there's any adjustment, I'll make it. So I already have a piece cut out. Just use your round body measurements. The round body like this. That was how I used to determine the cape. So that is what I've measured. The round body like this. Like this. Okay, and then I've measured out a piece. Unfold is 10 inches. So let me just put it on my body for you to see, to have an idea. Do you see it? But we are going to be pleating it. So unfold. The length is the length of my round body plus seam allowance. And then unfold, I have 10 inches. From the edge here, I've gone in by 1.5, and then I'll slant it to this side. Let me notch the center front. This is the center front. And then this center front is going to follow this shape of the front. It's going to follow the shape so that it can fit in. You can also notch where to stop. So next is to join the cape. Is to sew this, close the side of the cape. I'm going to be using 1/2 inch to close it, then I'll turn it inside out. So let's quickly, after closing this side, just notch it. Lock it. I'm going to iron it. I'm going to press it down. And then this middle, you're going to pleat it like this and put a strap there. I'm going to use this to go around it. It will be on it like this. Like this. So let's close this up. It doesn't have to be too wide. It can be 1 inch wide or 1.5. Okay, so let's make it 1.5 inches wide. So I'm going to close it like this and then bring it inside out. So this is it. So I'm going to iron it so that it will lift. So let's go and iron this. So like I said, we are going to pleat. Then this will now be on it like this. This will be on it like this. Let's go and iron. This is it after ironing. Then for this, I'm just going to use a stitch to hold this down. Then we are going to attach the cape after fixing the zip. We join the bustier to the skirt pattern. This is the skirt pattern. I'll place it on it like this, right side facing each other. So I'll stitch with 1/2 inch. After that, I'll attach this invisible zip. And then we'll come back to add the cape and then we are done. So this is what we have so far. We are fixing the zip, the invisible zip. And then I hem the armhole. So to attach it, we attach it from the back. That is from the inside. But we'll place this in between so that by the time we bring it to the front like this, we'll now use this to pack this inside like this, like this. Okay, starting from the center, from one center, just pin it to the other side, following the armhole area as well. And just pin it. So that is how I'm going to pin it to the end and now stitch it. And stitch it down. So here is the final look of our mermaid dress. This is Joidala Fashion Guide. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.